Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 12th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any significant updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and obtain free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video serves informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 6th of March, 2025, our system has identified Apple as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.7. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 7.8%. This equates to an average loss of 1.56% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently sits at the lower end of a wide and declining trend in the short term, which often presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $212.57 be breached, it would suggest an increased rate of decline. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of -6.41% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -8.31% to +5.12%. In terms of a longer horizon, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 36.61%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 36.61% to 72.35% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price between $296.42 and $373.97. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, "Red Day on Wednesday for Apple." The Apple stock price experienced a decline of 1.75% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 12th of March, 2025. The price dropped from $220.84 to $216.98. This marks the third consecutive day of decline for the stock. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.18%, reaching a low of $214.91 and a high of $221.75. Over the past 10 days, the price has decreased in 8 of those days, resulting in a total decline of 9.73% during this period. Notably, the trading volume also fell on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally considered a positive sign, as volume should ideally follow the price movement. On that day, trading volume decreased by 12 million shares, with a total of 62 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $13.53 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the stock was $260.09, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the price stands at 16.58%, or $43.11, below the 52-week high of $260.09, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc. stock is currently facing selling pressure amid a mixed market atmosphere, following a significant downturn in the Nasdaq and S&P 500. Recently, Gene Munster of Deepwater Asset Management expressed optimism regarding iPhone sales, suggesting they could boost the stock despite setbacks in artificial intelligence advancements. However, sentiment is challenged by Morgan Stanley's recent price target cut, driven by delays in AI updates for Siri, which complicate expectations for iPhone sales growth. Additionally, a United Kingdom competition probe has flagged Apple and Google's mobile browser dominance as potentially anti-competitive, casting a shadow over their innovation capabilities and future economic growth. This could lead to regulatory challenges that might impact Apple's operational landscape in the long run. In the short term, the current selling pressure, combined with declining investor confidence due to the AI delays and external competition scrutiny, may continue to weigh on AAPL's stock price. Conversely, if iPhone sales show unexpected resilience, it could counterbalance these negatives, providing a potential rebound path in the medium to long term. Investors should remain aware of the fluctuating dynamics in both market sentiment and regulatory landscapes affecting Apple. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 12th of March, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Apple a rating of overweight with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 21st of February, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Apple a rating of reduce along with an upgrade recommendation. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs rated Apple as buy with a hold recommendation. On the same day, February 19th, 2025, Loop Capital Markets assigned Apple a hold rating with a downgrade recommendation. Also on February 19th, 2025, Jefferies rated Apple as underperform with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. However, regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Apple stock exhibits sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast. Additionally, a general sell signal is present as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of 230 and 235. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Monday, the 24th of February, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 12.22%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is currently indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. The volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 14 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under certain conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the upcoming days. This stock displays average daily movements, and with sufficient trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the course of the last day, the stock fluctuated $6.84 between its high and low, which corresponds to 3.18%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 3.44%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often observed in companies with long-standing performance or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at $1.61. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $222.64. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let us examine some recent insider trades. On the 25th of February, 2025, Susan Wagner conducted an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. On the same day, Ronald D. Sugar conducted an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. Again, on the 25th of February, Monica C. Lozano conducted an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. On that date, Arthur D. Levinson conducted an insider purchase of 1,113 shares of restricted stock unit. Additionally, on the 25th of February, Andrea Jung conducted an insider purchase of 1,255 shares of restricted stock unit. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 24.521. Overall, insiders acquired 1,692,264 shares and sold 2,800,500 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative outlook for this stock, and there is no stop loss established. Is Apple stock a good buy? Currently, Apple exhibits several negative indicators and is situated within a broad and declining trend, leading us to believe that it will likely continue to underperform in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 13th of March, we anticipate that Apple will open higher by 90 cents, starting at $217.88. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.